If you are looking to disable or turn off the screen time features on your iPhone, you will come to the right place. This tutorial is straightforward, so let's get started. Begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone and selecting the Screen Time option. Once you are in, scroll to the bottom of the page until you see the Turn off Screen Time option. Click on it and enter your passcode or Apple ID if prompted to disable the Screen Time option. If you are managing a child's device, the parent device will be need to turn off screen time for the child. Alternatively, you can leave screen time on but disable the Share Across Devices option. This will prevent your screen time data from being reported to other iCloud devices, such as a parent's device. Disabling this option will keep your screen time data private to your device and not sharing it with others. Please consider subscribing to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.